Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dyro here with another Options and Play video update. Happy CPI day to you all. It's already been a busy morning, and the next couple days are probably gonna be pretty busy as well. So if you made the option session yesterday, I'm sure you had your fill of talk about S&P and the Nasdaq and the implications of the CPI and what we moved in the past. But if you weren't able to make it, one of the things I really feel like is worth like stressing is that we're in this cycle where these big economic events are having an outsized impact on the action on the indices like Qs and SPY. And I don't know when that's going to break. There will come a point where these economic readings, so whether that's the jobs report or the CPI readings or the PCE or even like the Fed days, where they start to be they start to see less volatility, but we're not there yet, right? So as we head into these big data readouts, I'm still of the assumption that they are going to have high impact moves. And for the most part, I am still of the assumption that the options, for the most part, are going to be underpriced, because that has been one of the consistent things over the last few months, is that the options have kind of consistently underpriced the potential movement around these events. Okay, so tomorrow is the FOMC day. Just as a standalone event, that in and of itself is cause for the last few Fed days we've had 2, 3, 4% moves. So I mean, just that alone is could create huge volatility. When you combine that with the CPI today, I mean, just really like a very busy 48-hour stretch. I do think that one of the things that pops out to me as the indices are pulling back a bit is that very, very clear year-to-date downtrend on the SPY is threatening to resolve higher. Now we'll see how tomorrow goes. We'll see how the rest of the week goes. But I mean, this is a very clear year-to-date. I mean, starting right at the beginning of January too. You can see the peaks in March, again in August, and just recently all failed. And now we're starting to push a little bit past it. So this is a very, very interesting development, something I'm paying attention to. And I feel like we have enough firepower on the calendar this week to, if this is going to start to get going, maybe this is the week where we start to see the signs that, we're starting to move through the downtrend. We got some room higher, and then, it's still like a week and a half out, but you got that period between Christmas and New Year's, which is seasonally a very strong time of year, right? Quote unquote, the Santa Claus rally time of the year. So, we'll see how the next few days go. We'll see how, where we're at on Friday, but this is a very interesting development that I am watching. And with tomorrow being like kind of like another high impact catalyst day, we'll see where the SPY is once the dust settles. All right. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about trading events with options, please follow up the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night, stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.